Okay, set up. We're good. Étape 1. Dans un saladier, versez la farine et creusez un puits afin de mettre le sel, la levure et petit à petit le mélanger et pétrir environ 15 minutes. That's 15, right? Yeah, I think that's 15. I hope it's 15.
Yeah, 15 counts.
Okay, good.
Next time, please.
It's an experiment. I wonder what will happen. Pour flour in mixing bowl. I can do that. How much flour? Just flour. All of it?
All of it, yes. How much are you waiting for? A little over 4 cups, right?
Oh yeah,
Measure
cups.
out a cup.
That's how I measure
4
it.
cups.
I know. We know exactly what we're doing. Marcus, have you ever baked before?
Oh, I made a pound cake before.
Nice. This isn't too different.
Yeah, it's just bread.
So, are your hands wet?
No.
Great. What you do, that's, okay, you need a cup.
That's a
That's like a
tablespoon.
90th of a cup. Where's your thing for a cup? So what she gave you is this. This is how you measure the cup.
Oh!
The deal is, that's hard to put in there to scoop. So you want to get the cup scoop, which this is a...
How many cups?
Hold on. So this is, here, this is the half cup. So you go like this. You
Oh, that's
You take
smart.
a half cup, put it in there, pick a half cup. So
Oh.
do a half cup at a time of the thing.
I got this.
And it's recording. Okay, so just nudge. Here's what you do. Take this, get the powder off of it, and it's about level. That's a cup. Okay, you don't need to use your finger because you're just gonna put another one in. So put it in the bowl. Nope, just don't even bother with this. Don't care about this anymore. So that's a half cup. So somebody, maybe Marcus, keep track of how many cups he's doing, so you don't do 9 instead of 4.2. So that's 1 cup.
2. So that's 1.
Is that half cup?
Yep. 1.5. I've definitely baked before. This is gonna turn out great.
A lot of flour.
And classmates are gonna eat it. Professionals. Oh.
Made a well.
Nice. So add some salt.
1.5 teaspoons.
Oh, okay. Because this isn't specific at all, these directions.
Because the envelope has the exact amounts for you to do.
It does?
Oh, right here.
Oh,
Those are the exact points. The other instructions are just what things to do in what order.
that makes sense.
500 grams of flour, 10 grams of yeast, 10 grams of salt, 300 grams of water.
Salt. I'm just gonna eat this.
So it's 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
No.
Pure salt.
You want to play asshole.
Okay, that's half a teaspoon. And the other, that's a lot of salt. Oh God.
It's gonna be salty.
Yeah.
How much did you put in?
1.5 teaspoons?
Okay. Not tablespoons.
Teaspoons.
Wait. That's a tablespoon.
Okay, so that's a lot. So try to get some of it out now.
Uh-oh.
Get a spoon and scoop most of it out.
Oh no.
Don't worry, got it.
Okay, good. Where's the teaspoon thing?
Put it in the sink, whatever you don't use.
Oh God.
We need to improvise.
This is also what happened in the video that I was talking about, Baking Bad. I had to like take. It was with eggs though, so it was slightly different.
Slightly more difficult.
Where's our teaspoon thing? Oh God.
Oh, don't do it.
Yeah. Okay, I think most of it's out.
Tablespoon is 3 times a teaspoon.
Ah.
So you need to do 1/3 of whatever it is you just did.
Wait, it's what?
So do a half tablespoon of salt if you want to do 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Oh,
Okay.
that makes sense.
Improvise, adapt.
It still seems like more than enough salt.
Well, it goes into the mix. It's not like you're gonna eat it.
Yummy.
Yummy salt.
Salt, yeast.
now
So
we
just
1.5 packets of yeast. 1.5.
Oh.
packets of
Right,
yeast.
1.5. There's 3 packets per belt. There. So take 1.5 of those little packets.
right. Oh, it's separate. I gotta do a little surgical maneuvers. Improvised surgery.
Improvise, adapt, overcome.
Now, if I know exactly how to do this, to get a half of yeast, it would be like this, right?
Just cut it in half.
Yeah. And then just...
Did you mean to do that?
Yep. The yeast goes in. Oh, it's yeast colored. I forgot what color yeast was, but that's definitely yeast colored.
Beige.
Beige. Oh, that's quite a bit. And it's still going. It's like an egg. You crack it open and you add the shells.
Okay.
Oh, let's fondle the yeast. Little by little, water. I'm cutting out all of the parts where we're gonna talk in English. Was I supposed to do it direct? I don't know.
The well's overflowed, so. Okay, that was not the way to go. Making like little islands.
I'm just gonna... Yeah. Okay, now that's done.
Baguette.
Next step. You should read this so that we read an equal amount.
D'après les boulangers, les problèmes que l'on peut rencontrer viennent du mauvais levage du pain. Donc voici ce qu'il m'a dit de faire et cela a bien fonctionné.
I don't know what that means. Let's find the English words. Oh, it says need them. I hope. Wait. Oh, it says mix first. Okay. Take the tiny one.
Not a whisk.
What?
You don't use a whisk.
Do I use a spatula?
No.
The disappointment in that
So,
statement.
yeah, a little disappointment. So,
This?
Here,
No,
come
this
here.
Is also a spatula.
Oh, look. Oh, this is crazy. Look. Here's the thing to make stuff with. Here's the thing to
Wait,
make
is this
stuff with.
set up
What are you
right?
doing?
Now it's starting to smell like yeast.
I'm a yeast fiend. It's getting harder to stir. I'm doing so little while you're like on the other side just doing everything.
I'm grabbing some of yours.
I'll move this little bit pretty well.
Making a baguette featuring Marcus.
Yeah.
By the way, go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ruffalo Chicken.
I mean, I could honestly link it. Nobody will see my video, but like, it'll be funny.
Except your viewers.
Yeah, like the 5 people who consistently watch it, and maybe like 1 or 2 people who found me from my stall YouTube account. It's starting to get hard, or it's slightly more soft. Is this
It's
a liquid
sticky.
or a? Oh, yikes! Is this a liquid or a solid?
Butter.
Is water wet? I'm very helpful. I mean, to be fair, I'm doing this one-handed.
Yeah, because you got the tripod.
Yeah. For some reason, I'm holding it to hold the phone. That's very precariously trapped inside of the tripod, but could fall out at any second if I shake it too much. Uh,
Don't shake it.
yeah,
It's
I
gonna
don't want
fall
my
into it.
phone to be added to the bread. It's
gonna
my
have-
secret ingredient.
It's gonna have an electronic taste.
It's gonna have that little, like, pop.
It's gonna have that little kick to it.
And I keep on lifting it up slightly so eventually it'll not be in frame.
Take some of
Murder.
Okay.
Murder the yeast. That got violent for a second.
Got violent really quick. Went from 0 to 100.
Yeah, stabbing it brutally while you're actually like doing the real stuff. Oh no. The bread is dead. Let's get this
Let's
bread.
get this baguette.
Yeah.
Let us acquire this yeast. This baked yeast.
Let us steal,
Let's romp a pig.
beat the wheat. Beat the wheat. Beat the wheat. It's
Oh wow, there's
wheat.
a lot of flour trapped under it.
It's just the little pockets of flour. It's gonna be adding some extra flavor to certain people. That they get lucky and or unlucky.
If you
It
want the
depends
flour-
on what they like.
If you want the flour, good for you. If you don't, too bad.
It's like when the eggshells get added, yeah.
If you like eggshells, good for you. If you don't,
Yeah.
too bad.
It's just that little extra crunch. And the secret ingredient. Bill Swifty. He's got a picture of him. It's great. He will watch over us as we do the stupid stuff that we're attempting to do.
I'm trying to make a baguette. It looks like a dumpling almost.
Oh yeah. It's our little bread dumpling.
I was getting the consistency of glue.
It's slime. We're making slime.
This baguette all of a sudden turned into slime.
Yeah. I'll just slime, but it's a baguette. It's in the shape of a baguette, but it has the consistency of slime.